Okay, number 10, right? We have Lyle and Sean. So let L represent Lyle's age now, and let S represent Sean's age now, right? Okay. So it says next year Lyle will be, that's L plus 1, next year. He will be twice as old as Sean will be. Again, twice as old as Sean will be next year, S plus 1. And then the next equation says 4 years ago he was, so 4 years ago Les was, L minus 4. 3 times as old as Sean was. 3 times as old as Sean was 4 years ago. So there's our two equations. Okay, so we have to simplify both of these in this case, right? So the first one is L plus 1 equals 2S plus 2. L equals 2S plus 1. So that's the first equation. That's this one. Now I'm going to do this one over here, right? So we get L minus 4 equals 3S minus 12, distribute. L equals 3S minus 8. So the two equations are these, right? The two equations are this one and this one. So the system is L equals 2S plus 1 and L equals 3S minus 8. So I think equal value methods looks easiest. So 2S plus 1 equals 3S minus 8. Subtract 2S from both sides, so 1 equals S minus 8. Add 8, so 9 equals S. S equals 9. Okay, then we'll take one of the easier equations, maybe this one, and get L equals 2 times 9 plus 1. L equals 18 plus 1. L equals 19. So Les is 19. And Sean is 9. Les is 19, and Sean is 9. Or not Les, Lyle, sorry. This one is Lyle, not Les. So let's fix that. Lyle is 19, and Sean is 9.